Today we have a video from Top Cop, and the title of the video is 114 miles per hour DUI arrest. Young woman pulled over on highway. New Mexico. Dodge Challenger races past a cop. Okay. Let's get to it.
Come here. Over here. No, just walk to me. Walk normal. What's going on? You're doing 114 miles an hour.
Was I?
Yeah, you blew right on by me. 114 miles an hour.
I'm
How fast do you think you were going?
70. I don't know.
Who else is in the car with you? Just you? Okay. Do you have your ID with you?
I do. It's right there.
Okay.
She thought she was going 70. You're going double. Damn.
31 vehicles in the area.
Come with me, Jessica? How much did you have to drink? What's not much to you?
I didn't have anything to drink.
Yeah, you did, because I can smell from your breath.
One.
You had one.
How you gonna go from not much to none to one?
When did you have that one? Okay, so you had one drink where? At your apartment?
Yes.
Were you having a party where you guys give out Budweiser wristbands?
That was at the fair.
So you were at the beer garden?
Yes, and I had one at the fair.
Okay, so you had one at the fair.
And then one at Bayo.
Okay, so that's two. What kind of drinks were they?
Modelos. I'm good to drive back to my house.
You think you're good to drive?
Yes.
Okay, I'll be the judge of that.
I'll be the judge
Well,
of
so
that.
far, based on what I've seen, the way you're driving is not very safe, ma'am. I mean, I get it, you have a fast car, but that's way too fast.
Yes, I'm so sorry
Okay.
about that, but I am good to drive back to my house. I have a good job.
Gotcha. So do I.
No, I work at a dealership. I cannot lose my job. So if you guys want to follow me to back to my
We don't want to follow anybody.
No.
Let's put you on toes together like my feet are. Hands at your sides. Okay. See my finger? Follow my fingertip with your eyes only. Don't move your head. This hand's going to move from your left to right. Fall the whole time.
Okay.
Just gonna do 2 more quick tests, and we'll possibly get you on your way. Any problems walking, balancing, or turning? No?
No.
Can you walk fine in those Nike shoes?
Yes.
Stand right there on my light and face your car.
Okay.
Put your heel and toes together. Hands at your sides. And from that position, when I tell you to begin, and only when I tell you to begin, you will take a series of 9 heel toe steps down that line. Look, just like this. Watch me. Don't start yet. Just like this.
Okay. 9 to 2.
Yeah, watch me. 1, 2, 3. Go and begin. Missed. Okay, your turn.
Yes.
That was 9.
9. You said 9.
I did say 9.
Okay.
I did say 9 back.
One.
Failed. Failed with flying colors.
Okay. Stand right there. Stand on my light. Turn and face me. Heels and toes together. Hands at your sides. Next test called the one leg stand. Okay, when I tell you to begin, what I want you to do is raise the leg of your choice, either your left leg or your right leg, approximately 6 inches parallel with the ground. Now watch me. Don't start yet. My hands on my sides. Man, what I'm gonna do is don't start yet. I'm gonna raise my left leg. Okay. My left leg's fully extended, my toes pointed. Don't start yet. My foot's about 6 inches parallel with the ground, which means level. Hands at my sides. Once your foot is raised, look down at that foot and count like this: 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004.
Okay, just say 1, 2, 3.
No, 1001, 1002.
1000. Soy mala para el inglés.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you want to count in Spanish?
Yes.
Okay, you count in Spanish.
Okay.
Ready? Begin.
1001, 1002.
Okay, stop. Stop. Look at your foot.
Oh, okay.
Ready?
Yes. Okay.
Ready? Good. Begin. Good.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1028, 1029, 30.
Okay, stop.
31.
Stop. Come with me. Put one hand here and one hand there. One hand on the light. Both hands behind your back.
Why?
Did you hear me? Did you hear me?
Hey.
Did you hear me? Both hands behind your back. Thank you. Leave your hands right there.
Why?
Turn.
Hey, no.
Turn.
Hey,
Trust me. Trust me. You don't want to make things worse. Don't resist, okay? You're the one that made the poor choice of driving, not me.
Hey.
You are under arrest for driving under the influence of intoxicating liquor and/or drugs.
I'm not under drugs.
Hold on. It's both, okay?
I'm not under drugs.
I said and/or drugs. That's the way it's read. And/or drugs.
You know she don't understand and or. You gotta say it in Spanish.
Okay, Jessica, I cannot force you to take our test, but if you refuse, you will lose your national driver's license or non-resident operating privilege for 1 year. If you're convicted in court,
Excuse me?
if you refuse to take our test, okay? Listen, I'll start over again.
You are gonna ruin my
No.
career. Hey,
No. Oh, no.
Wait.
Who decided to drive? Don't blame me. Blame yourself.
Can you please wait?
I'm not waiting. Okay, here we go. Come back here.
No, it's
Let's go. You can sit back here and do what you gotta do. I can talk to you in here.
No, of it. Excuse me.
Have a seat. Get in. We can talk in here.
My car.
Yeah, your car can get towed.
What? No.
Yeah, get in.
No.
Get in.
What is the question?
Okay.
Again?
I asked you if you wanted to submit to a breath test, and you said no.
When can I leave jail?
If you are convicted in court for driving while under the influence, you may also receive a greater sentence because you refuse to be tested. Furthermore, you will be charged with aggravated DWI.
Can I ask?
With that in mind, do you want to?
Jail.
That's not up to me. That's up to the judge.
No, when can I leave?
Most likely tomorrow.
Can I please?
No.
I cannot lose my job.
Gotcha.
Please. Please.
Okay.
How's she gonna lose her? She work at a car dealership. Like, what? You're a car salesman? You ain't gonna lose your job over no DUI. You know what I'm saying? Like, what's she talking about? That's what she said earlier. She said, I work at a car dealership. So what they do at the car dealership is either you're a salesman, mechanic, that's it. I don't even know what other things they got at the car dealership. But you either gonna be selling cars or fixing them. One of the two. So you ain't losing your job. What is she talking about? She acting like she got a job with the county or something, or she's a cop herself or something like that. Like, come on, man. But yeah, some people may think this guy is an asshole, right? The cop. Like, I like his approach. It's pretty straightforward. You know, he's pretty much the definition of a no-nonsense cop. And then another thing is that, I seen this on another video where someone commented, it's BS that you, someone said something like, it's BS that you, what they said, it's BS that you can have your license take away for a volunteer test. But the only part that's really volunteer is the fields test, this stuff, standing on one leg and walking, in a straight line and all that stuff. That's volunteer. If you don't want to do that test, you don't have to do those field sobriety tests. I typically always say it in these type of videos just because, there's new eyes that's watching, obviously my subscribers, they kind of know what I'm going to say, you know what I mean? But, there's new people watching and some people may not know that, but yeah, fields, you don't have to do it. But what he's talking about here is submitting to a breath test and like the blood test and things of that nature, which is a chemical test. Yeah, you have to do those. If you refuse them, then exactly what he said, you will lose your license. For sure.
Gotcha. Can I let somebody lose their life? What if you crash into them and you kill them?
I'm not.
Most people that drive drunk don't think they're going to kill somebody until they kill somebody. What's your feet?
Okay, so did I accept or did I not accept?
You haven't said yes or no, so I already heard the consequences for refusing. We're gonna go back to the office and.
Did I refuse?
You didn't say yes or no. Yeah.
What happens if I say yes or if I say no?
If you say yes, I take you back to the office and you blow into a machine. If you're under 0.16, it's called a simple DWI. If you refuse and or blow 0.16 or higher, then it's aggravated.
What does that mean?
Okay, so
More severe, man.
Court-wise, we'll talk about court-wise.
I don't have
Yeah, listen. Well, I'm taking the car. Listen.
I just got divorced.
Gotcha.
I do not have money.
Gotcha.
I just got.
I've been through it too. Trust me. I didn't have any money.
Please.
Okay, listen.
I'm asking you.
Listen to me. We're not bargaining. You and I aren't gonna bargain. The car's gonna get towed.
No.
And you're gonna go to jail.
Asking you, please.
No, ma'am.
I don't even have money to take me out of jail. Please.
You won't have the post bond. You'll be released on your own.
Okay. At what time? I cannot.
I don't know what time.
At a job.
I don't know what time.
Take a day out of my job. I do not have time. I have to be tomorrow at work at 8 in the morning.
You're probably not gonna make 8 in the morning.
Get fired.
You won't.
Okay.
You won't make it in the morning.
I cannot get fired.
Okay.
Please.
I can't.
I'm asking.
I can't.
You. I just got divorced.
Gotcha.
I do not have money. I haven't even paid my fucking rent. I did all the tests
You did.
asked
You did.
me, and I passed.
What am I looking for? Do you know what clues I'm looking for? You have no idea what I'm looking for, so how do you know if you passed? Jessica,
Help me, no.
don't make things worse for you. Don't make
How is it
because I have things to do still. Look,
I
you
have things
like
to
what?
do too.
Like what? Tonight you have nothing to do now.
Like sleep right
Okay,
now.
well you should have thought about that before you drove. Okay,
Please.
Jessica, get in. Get your feet in.
Please
Jessica.
help me.
Jessica, I will still talk to you.
Why?
Jessica, move your foot.
Can you please help me?
I will help you. I saved your life tonight. You're welcome.
Wait. During the vehicle search, During the vehicle search, Jessica was able to adjust her handcuffs. Oh, she must be removed to correct them. Oh, okay. Come on, man. She's I think the cop is being pretty chill so far. Yeah, he's stern, but he's being pretty chill, but he's probably gonna get annoyed.
Why?
Get out.
With all of her foolishness.
Why?
Get out. Jessica, did you hear me?
Why?
Get out.
Why?
What do you mean why? Don't. Did you just hit me? That's another charge.
Did I hit you?
Turn around.
Me vas a escuchar.
Yeah.
Look at me.
Chill out.
Look
Chill
at
out.
me.
Chill out.
I am so glad that they are recording.
Yeah, me too. Me too. Turn. Don't turn.
I am fucking
Don't turn and face me.
Hijo de perra.
Don't turn and face me.
I am turned.
Don't turn and face me, I said.
I am turned.
Do not turn and face me.
I don't know what she's saying, but it sounds good to me. Shit. Oh, it look like we got a spicy Latina on our hands, huh?
I am turned.
Give me this other hand right here.
Am I not giving you my hand?
This one right here, I said.
Oh, wow.
Thank you. Don't pull away, Jessica.
I was about to go in the back where you asked me to be.
Did I say move right now? I didn't.
She is nuts.
Looks like you get another charge, just so you know, okay?
Why is this another charge?
Because you swung at me.
I did not swing at you.
Luckily, I have a back camera. Luckily, I have a back camera.
You grabbed me.
Luckily, I have a back camera. Let's go.
That sergeant look like he got military in him.
Right
Don't pull away from me.
where you told me to be. How the fuck am I swinging
Scoot back.
at you?
Scoot back. So I get your seatbelt on.
Racista. Racista, hijo de perra.
Okay.
Yeah. She's nuts, boy. I see why she got herself a divorce, boy. Oh boy. She could rope you in though. I ain't gonna lie. She could wheel you in. You know what I'm saying? You throw that line out there in that water, you might catch you some fish now. You might, you know, you throw it out there. One gonna bite the bait now. You know, but yeah, man. She's, boy. I like that. I like that sergeant, honestly. I like the straightforward, it seemed like he got like a military presence about him, you know? But yeah. Anyway, yeah, she's just nuts. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.